job we're doing is for the Achilles. Back here goes from your calf down to the back of your heel. What'll happen a lot of times, either they'll strain this, or like the calf strain can run into this a little bit, or sometimes they just develop some tendonitis and it's just super annoying for them to jump or push off with their foot. So the idea here is we're wanting to pull the top part, or the distal part of their foot here towards their calf. So it's kind of look a little like an ankle, but we're doing no support for the ankle. We're really just kind of trying to pull the foot, pull the foot down for them so that the Achilles doesn't have to work as hard. So the difference here versus the ankle, we do not want them flexed up like this. So we want them to relax their ankle and just hang out there. But tape will need some stretchy white, regular white, and elasticon is what this is called. You can do two different ways, and I'll show here, either with just the 2-inch elasticon or the 3-inch elasticon, splitting it. If you're splitting it, even if you're not, probably going to need scissors, because the elasticon is difficult to tear. You can do it with pre-wrap. I'm going to show it without the pre-wrap, just because you can go either way. It's just sometimes if their skin just gets annoyed by the tape, you can do the pre-wrap so they don't have irritation there. So what we'll need, you're looking for their calf muscle where it kind of comes down. It's not as bulky. That's where you're pulling up, or where you're putting your first anchor. So it'll be higher than a normal ankle tape job. And then your lower anchor, you want just below the ball of the foot here. Higher than midfoot, not quite up to the top. Okay, so if we're doing 2-inch elasticon, we would do like 3 strips, kind of fanning in different directions. And we're starting at the anchor on the foot, pulling towards the anchor on the calf, but you don't want to like pull them crazy hard. If they're relaxed enough, you can just kind of lay the tape with a little bit of tension. We'll do 2 or 3 strips like that, just kind of covering different areas. If we do 3-inch, what we'll do is we'll start right in the midfoot. If you do 3-inch, you only need 2 of these, and you do not need to do like fanning strips. You don't need to do them in different directions. So you're measuring past the anchor, pull it down, you're going to cut. You're going to cut in the middle so that you can tear it. Grab those sides, pull along the back, split it more, and wrap it up on top. So you do a couple of those. And then after that, we're just going to cover them up with white tape so they don't fall off. With the foot white tape cover strip, do not pull hard because you'll just crunch the toes and it'll be super uncomfortable for them. Now, when they go to push off, it won't let them go as far, and it'll, like this tape is pulling their foot down for them so the Achilles doesn't have to work as hard.